Hi, second grade. In this lesson, we are going to be doing a review of adjectives. Now, we are coming back to adjectives because they really help make our writing stronger. Adjectives help us add detail to our writing. They make our writing more exciting and really paint a picture for somebody who's reading our writing. So adjectives tell us several different things, and they specifically describe nouns. So noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, an example of a noun could be Miss Stevens or Miss Stavler in second grade. A place could be school, like Vogelway. A thing could be a pencil. An idea could be kindness. And adjectives tell us about these nouns. They can tell us what kind, how many, what color, how something feels, tastes, smells, behaves, or how a noun looks. And I'm going to give you several examples of this. So adjectives can tell us how many. So a few words that come to mind are many, few, 20, and these could all be words that are describing the second grade classroom. So there were many students here this morning in second grade, or there were few students in the classroom in the morning when I walked in, or there are 20 students in the class in second grade. Adjectives can also tell us what color something is. So blue, aqua, yellow, there's so many different colors, purple, bronze, silver. My example is the ocean was blue and clear. You could say the sun was bright and yellow. The tree was fresh and green. Adjectives can also tell us how something feels, tastes, smells, or looks. So how something feels, it could be soft or pokey, it could be hard or rough. How something tastes, it could be sour or sweet. You could say it's delicious. How something smells, it could be stinky or maybe it's fresh. How something looks, it could be beautiful or pleasant, but it could also be scary. So my sentence example is, I gave the fresh, beautiful flower to my friend. Now these are adjectives that are describing the word flower. Adjectives can also be used to describe how something behaves. So slow, sleepy, hyper, calm. And here I have the dog was sleepy. It's telling us about how the dog is acting. So now that we've had a few examples, we're going to look at the picture and come up with at least 3 adjectives to describe what you observe. If you need more time to think, you can pause the video here, and we'll look at some examples after. All right, so looking at this picture, I had a couple adjectives that came to mind. I was looking at the flowers in the center here, and they looked round. So I'm talking about how something looks. I noticed that they were bright, beautiful lavender color. So again, that's adjectives describing the flowers here. I said tiny, or I was talking about the little yellow and white flowers here. Yellow, white are also adjectives. Bright, I looked at all of the different colors. There are a lot of bright colors to describe these flowers. Now, you may have come up with some other awesome adjectives. Fantastic job, and we will continue practicing this with your activities on Seesaw.